Welcome to DAC 2018. I am the Krzysztof Stanik, the application engineer in Aldec. I prepared a presentation about using VHDL in Riviera-PRO. The presentation is about using VHDL in Riviera-PRO. In this demo, I want to answer on question why Riviera-PRO should be used by VHDL designers. The first thing is highest performance VHDL simulator in the industry. Second thing is supporting the latest standard. We begin support for the VHDL 2018, forthcoming standard for VHDL. Another thing is code analysis, live in background. Another thing is outline window. Another thing is OSVVM coverage viewer. Next thing is predefined and user-defined HDL editor code templates, transaction level debugging, and useful waveform functionality. Riviera-PRO is fastest simulator on the market, supporting platforms Linux, Windows, 32 and 64 bits, VHDL, and mixes languages like System C, System Verilog, etc. Full support for VHDL 2008. Support for VHDL 2008 is almost done. Another thing is behavioral RTL, gate level, and timing simulation. Riviera supports features from upcoming VHDL standard 2018. Features which are supported right now, it means in Riviera-PRO 2018-02, is conditional compilation, inferring constraints from the initial values. Features that will be supported in near future, it will be two-string functions for predefined vector types, new types in STD standard, and allow functions to know the output vector size and conditional expression in declaration of objects. Code analysis. It detects errors before first compilation with live code checking. It means during coding, errors will be displayed on the document. Outline window. Outline window is a tool that displays objects from the source code while a source code file is edited in HDL editor. Outline window shows it before it's compiled to a working library. OSVVM coverage viewer. OSVVM coverage viewer contains complex functional coverage, and it is presented in transparent way. OSVVM coverage viewer contains support for UCIS-based standard, all kind of coverage in one base. OSVVM coverage viewer also contains automatic generation for text or HTML reports. To avoid typos and speed up your code creation, we have HDL editor code templates. It's useful for reuse most popular construct and help in flow your company's coding best practice with user-defined HDL templates. Riviera-PRO also helps in transaction level debugging. Record transactions are dumped into ASDB file during simulation and may be analyzed during simulation and in post-simulation debug if it is necessary. Riviera-PRO contains also useful waveform functionality for VHDL. It may present data from one or more simulation databases. It may display signals, variable values, and status of assertions, cover statement, simulation messages, transactions, and VHDL transactions. Waveform contains multiple cursors, bookmarks, extensive search and browsing features. It may be also possible to show delta cyclic expansion, analog display buses, and I also prepared a couple live demos. This demo shows example of using VHDL 2018 feature conditional compilation. This is simple RAM with couple versions. Which version is compiled? It is depend on which identifier is defined. Here's example using complex. Here's basics. If we defined basic, there will be this branch chosen. If we define complex, it will be this one. If any, there will be nothing will be choose. Here's example. If we do not define, there will be error of compilation. Here is example of using error directive. When we choose complex, it will warning will occur. If basic, it also warning occur. Conditional compilation also maybe depends on version of VHDL what we use. For example, if version of VHDL is 2002, we should define integer vector. If VHDL version will be 2008 or 2018, integer vector should not need to be declared. If we use complex, here we are warning. For example, if we don't define, we should get error. Here it is. This error is defined here. This concludes my demonstration of VHDL 2008 and using VHDL in Riviera-PRO. Thanks for watching.